Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another live streaming session. Hopefully, you can hear me well. I'm gonna take a look at my phone on YouTube to hear exactly how I sound on YouTube. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another live. Yeah, kind of good. Hopefully, you can hear me well. I'm gonna take a look at my phone on YouTube to hear exactly how I sound on YouTube. All right, gotta change a bit more. Yeah, kind of good. Hear exactly how I sound on YouTube. All right, gotta change a bit more. Anyway, yeah, kind of good. All right, seems good. Okay, so I had like 2 weeks or something like that. 2 weeks of no live streaming, but today we start. We have a fresh start here. We made some money. We withdrew some money. We changed brokers, this and that. Anyway, in the last month, gold had a terrible moves. I mean, we opened the session with a gap of like 500 pips down. We went even more down to like 1,000 pips, and then we just went up 600. So for the bio for today bio, um, I don't know, man. I don't know what the fuck should I look for what should I looking today, but um, I mean the last 3 weeks went bullish, but it's like in a range. Now let's drop to the 12-hour time frame. So 12-hour kinda kinda fill the gap, kind of fill the gap between the closing session and the opening session today. Not that much information here. Then we have um, what I can see on 8 hours. Let's say what I can see based on what I know and things like that. So basically, we have these like candles printing very low on a bullish power. So I'm gonna mark these as a resistance right here. We've made some higher high, higher lows, higher highs, and then we couldn't like move even further. So I'm I'm trying to catching some sales. I also see this support right here on the higher time frames. But we'll see better on the lower time frame. So let's get back to the 4 hour to see what type of information we have here. So the last 4 hours closings like this uh, in this area right here, kind of resistance area. Okay, now drop to the 2 hour time frames. Yeah, that we have some clean traffic to the left hand side from last night. 2 hours start to move down. 30 minutes also. On 30 minutes we have clear range right here. We have this range, and we start to break in it. So this is the support and this is the resistance. Maybe I'm gonna adjust the support, the resistance up here. So wait, where the fuck is that? I'm gonna do I'm gonna adjust the support, the resistance up over here, so we can look for buys above this area. And now, if this candle can close bearish, maybe we can look for sells to go even more down. Yeah, on 50 minutes it actually closed bearish. Yeah, looks pretty well. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for the terminal time frame to close. Kind of. Yeah, that'll be the best decision we can make to wait for the 30-minute candle to close. Let's take a look on the 5 minutes. We have 5 more minutes for this candle to close. Maybe we can take a trade from here because I like the bearish power at this moment. So yeah, maybe we can get a trade. Okay, 5 minutes close bearish. That looks pretty good. Take a trade. If the next 5-minute candle will close above, I'm gonna close this first position and wait for other signals of the market. But at this point, I'm entering like an impulsive move for the 5-minute close bearish. And yeah, if the 30 minutes will close below this area, I'm gonna leave the trade open. If it's gonna close above 47,710, I'm gonna close it right away. There's no panic. Like the targets here, maybe, I don't know, this area below, I don't know. We got a lot of clean traffic. I don't know if we can break like the low of the previous Asian low, so we can continue moving to the downside even more, but at this point I don't care. At this point, what do I care is for this 30-minute time frame, for this 30-minute candle to close below this area, so we can continue moving down. Perfect. And maybe if we can break the low on the 30 minutes, on the next 30 minutes, I can add more at the position. We'll see. We'll see. If we got a bearish closure on 30 minutes, let it like make the top week, and then at the drop I can enter another position. So yeah, we gotta wait. Yo, what's up, man? How's going? How's going, iFrame boy? Yo, yo, yo. Got a sell from 47.15. Nice, man. Pretty nice. Let's go. Yeah, it went pretty good. So far, so good, right? So far, so good. All right, so the terminal candle closed bearish. Maybe we can, maybe we can sell below this area right here again. That looks pretty good. I don't know if it can like make the. I'm gonna wait for the top week and then sell. You have stop at break even because your TP and keep my TP open. Oh, okay, yeah, makes sense, makes sense. All right, so we make the top week. Maybe if we can break the low right here, maybe I can get another sell. What we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, kind of ugly market structure, not gonna lie. And let's see how this terminal candle closes. I want to wait for the next two terminal candle to see how they close. So if this one will close like bullish and the next one will break, I'm gonna close the positions. But if this one can close bearish and maybe break below the last terminal candle, I'm gonna add this position that you see on the screen. So the stops will be kept around this area right here, so above this support will become a resistance. But we gotta wait. Fucking price action, dude. It's not, I don't know. I don't feel like this is a tradable price action. What do you think? I don't know.
Tell you the truth, we not gonna tell you no lie. Better bye 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 bye. Better bye 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 bye. Listen, my song, kill that the hi-fi. Better bye 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 bye. Better bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye
what a move to the upside, dude. Take a look. Amazing. Amazing, man. God damn. Nice. Nice. How hard the next 20 minutes will be to wait this candle to close. God damn. Nah, looks like fucking bad. Nah, I don't think I want to leave this position. If I see one more push to the upside, I'm gonna exit this right away. There's no, I make no sense to have this position open. Looks like, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, not a really strong bullish signal, but I don't know. It's a stupid price action, so makes no sense. Look at that. Makes no sense to leave the position. It's not because of the signals that we got from the candles, because we back in this range, but it's about I mean, the price action. We don't have like a clear roam to the upside or downside. I mean, better to stay away, I guess. Yeah, better stay away. Let's see if we can take a trade at 3:30 p.m. Let the market do something. I mean, at this point, we better, I mean, I better stop taking trades because we back in this range. We're back in this range, so that's a no trade range. Maybe, maybe the next idea that I have, it's maybe we can take a buy above this resistance to fill this gap. We have like 160 pips, and if I can get these, I'll be okay. But until we get right to this resistance, I'm not gonna take anything. So yeah, we kind of have like 150, 160, 1600 pips. Yeah, maybe we can wait for that. But other than that, damn, this price action is fucked, dude. This price action is a fucking. Oh, let's take a look on GJ actually. Oh, GJ is like very bullish. God damn, look at that. How bullish is this? Almost all-time high. Oh, we do have all-time almost all-time high on GJ, guys. Nice, all-time high on GJ. But also, I don't find this. I mean, this is more tradable. So GG is more tradable than gold, but still, I'm gonna stick with gold. Gonna stick with gold. See if we can get anything. Are you stopped out? Are you stopped out, man? On your position? Hmm. Maybe, maybe after this trading session, I think I'm gonna wait until the 4:30 p.m. Not more than 4:30. Maybe we can play some CS2. What do you think? The game, like relaxing. It's Monday. Gotta relax a bit. There's no rush. Even though if you lose, there's no rush, okay? Hell no, man. The way this comes back, so the way gold, yeah, yeah, that's okay. That's okay. That's not a problem. It's okay. But what I wanna say, the way gold push back 1,000 pips. Look at this. It pushed back 1,000 pips. The way it pushed back, I don't know, dude. If we have room to the downside, I don't know. I mean, I know that we have this area above here where we couldn't break, but I don't know, man. Like, imagine how strong the bulls have to be in order to move 1,000 pips in like a fucking session, and that was Asian session. I mean, what the fuck? It starts with a gap of like 500, drop to 1,000, and then moves back 1,000. I mean, that's huge. That's huge. I don't know if we can actually have something today like such a movements or something like that. I mean, that's terrible, dude. That's terrible. Take a look of the way the candles were printing in the London session, and take a look on the look at that. I mean, what the fuck is this, dude? We have like two candles, some candles here, and then four, six candles. Move back up. The fuck is this? Yeah. Nah, maybe the war tension, I guess. Maybe the war tension, I don't know. Anyway, overall, the last 2 weeks were like fucking shitty weeks, dude. I mean, that's fucking shit here. I mean, we have this area right here. If I'm not looking, I'll be bullish. If I'm not looking at this shit right here, if I'm not looking at that, wait, if I'm not looking at this, I'm bullish on gold. But the problem is you cannot take a look at that because so yeah. And actually, in the past 2 weeks, I had like so last week I lost around 800, 800, yeah, 800 or 900 euros. Yeah, something like that. I withdrew like 200. I lost 900 or 800, and then I don't know. I'm back to break even. Let's say. I mean, I'm not. I'm back at break even with the overall of the account, but I got I got a profit. took aside. So yeah, I lost like 900, actually 900, not 800. Actually, it was like 900 euros. But I have some money took aside. So wait, I guess I have like how much money I withdraw or like so in the last month I withdrew around nine 700 plus almost almost $2,000, almost 2,000. So yeah, that's pretty good. Even though if I'm losing like 800, I gotta I got paid. So yeah, the problem with me, I don't fucking care about that, to be honest. The problem is that I have to shift my mentality because right now I'm in a loser fucking mentality because I've got this drawdown of, I mean, some good money. So I gotta shift my mentality because I'm kind of stuck. I'm kind of stuck. This is why I like to trade with like small lots, trying to trade with small lots, and then I don't know, maybe maybe we'll see some progress. So yeah, the markets came back into the entry point. You're right, but I don't know if I want to took another trade here. Anyway, I lose that much that I don't fucking care anymore. But I don't want to lose the account. You know what I'm saying? Like, it makes sense to fucking stop and thinking about the trades and nah, I don't know, man. What do you think now? What do you think now? I mean, I find it, I found it very fucking tricky of these candles. Very tricky, dude. Very tricky, dude. Tricky as fuck. Nah, nah. Maybe I can let the market moves a bit more down to the downside and then took a buy because it will make some stupid moves like that, like this one. So yeah, makes more sense than fucking sell at this point, to be honest. Because this candle can fucking flip bullish and just went like 160 pips to the upside. So yeah. So God, maybe it's not like that. Hmm. Gotta wait for this 30-minute candle to close. We have 5 more minutes. Yeah, fucking ugly price action, dude. Do you do you trade last week? Do you have some trades last week? Like, what's your overall history for the last week? Because for me, I told you, for me it was like a fucking red week. Was a red fucking week, man. What do you think if we can buy, if we wanna, if we buy right here? What do you think? Am I crazy? Am I crazy enough to buy this shit here? Looks like we can't break either below this, like we couldn't break below this. Looks like the same. Almost the same, man. Mhm. Mm. You gotta be tired of winning. You will win so much that you'll be tired of winning. Fucking Trump, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna try a buy about this support. I mean, let's try buy here. Trying to buy. Hopefully we can get like this. The target will be right here. So will be the gap. Will be the gap field. Uh, and the stop. I don't know, probably below this 30-minute candle. Yeah. So tell me, do you trade last week? Have you been trading last week? Like, how was the last week for you? How's the last week for you, man? Because I'm tired of losing. No, no, no. I'm trying to buy. I'm trying to buy here. I'm trying to buy here. Trying to secure something at the top of it, and then I don't know. It moves like a fucking shit. So it doesn't make sense to buy. I know it doesn't make sense to buy, but the way it moving, I mean, I got some chances. Oh, nice, nice on break even, man. Nice, congrats. So I know it makes no fucking sense of buying, but the way markets moves, I'm just gonna buy because 80% of the time I'm gonna sell these markets. To be honest, but no, I mean that's pretty good. At least you got some. At least you got some. You don't lose like fucking $800, $900. The fuck? A fucking red week, man. A fucking red week. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, I mean, kind of break even, but you good. You good. Let's see if we can flip this candle bullish with our buys. I got good buys, man. I got good buys. We make money. How much is that? Oh, $100. Nice. Ba-ba-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-ba-da-da-da-da. So yeah. Oh shit. How it the way it flips, dude. Like, god fucking damn it. I don't know why it flips that much. Oh, wow, look, a move. Oh, I also want to tell you, like, for the IC markets, the withdrawals are pretty good, pretty good. So it moves very fast. Once you deposit in with a bank wire and you withdraw with also the bank wire, it's very easy. So I got the money in like 2 days, 2 business days or something like that. I was pretty fast and pretty good. So yeah, all the trust, all the trust in the broke. Let's see if I can make a poll. Hey, I put a, I set a poll here. What's that? You, you choose no? You fucking retard. Fuck you. Are you, where are you? Where are you right now? De ce să nu joci, mă? Oh, okay. You do you, man. Holy shit, this, oh my god. Fucking shitty market, dude. Oh, you sell it? You sell it? 12? Where's that? Mm, yeah, I mean, it can go everywhere. This shit respect nothing, dude. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna keep with buys, stick with buys. I don't fucking care. The news, like, at this point, news means fucking nothing. This fucking market went whatever it wanna go, like, I don't know. Have no idea, dude. Have no idea. Maybe you're right, but maybe you're right, but one thing I can explain, one thing I can't explain was this gap here and then the recovery of the market. Like, who the fuck wants to see gold bullish and the news are bearish for it? I mean, what the fuck? Yeah, makes no sense. Makes no sense at all. I don't know if I should take a break of trading these days because we have like hard times in the markets with this market structure. At this point, I think I'm gonna be more productive if I'm playing CS2 than trading. So maybe I can live playing CS2 rather than live streaming trading for fucking nothing with a fucking range. It's just a fucking range. Where, when is let's take a look at the news. The American side could not tolerate Iran's blatant violation. Fucking stupid retard. So we got PPI tomorrow. I want some strong news. Come on. I want strong news, dude. What's the GDP for pound? Nothing. Nothing this week. When are the harder news, man? Monday, no. Or retail sales could be. Retail sales the next week. hmm Yeah, we got a retail sales next week. And okay, FOMC. In 2 weeks, we got FOMC. Maybe we'll see some structure after the FOMC because I'm fucking tired, dude. I'm fucking tired of. Okay, so we have a lot of news. Unemployment claims also should be good. Should be good. Let's take a look at the funds rate. They wanna Okay, they lower it. I traded the time by that uh, the rate was 5.25 and they drop it from 5.25, wait, somewhere here, 2024, yeah, I remember. They dropped from 5.25 to like 3.75. Interesting. Hmm. Yeah. What's this? Dude, I'm gonna close it too because obviously we have no fucking like nothing today. Have a good day. Thank you so much for your presence here. See you